black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower stew, or black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mutton recipes and one of the most delicious of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes. We're going to make black pepper garlic lamb cauliflower stew. We have taken 400 grams of lamb pieces cut thoroughly and cleaned. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Let it salt. Saute. onion, salt, and all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt, paprika, and the mutton pieces. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in a spoon of mixture spices, spoon of black pepper, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in the cauliflower pieces. Mix thoroughly mix, and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Now the black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower stew is ready. Now put in some cilantro leaves and curry leaves as garnish. Now can be taken off the flame and served. This is a final black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower stew, or black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower bowl, or black pepper, garlic, mutton, cauliflower stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most delicious of the gobi recipes and one of the most easiest to make with the garlic recipes and one of the most unique with the pepper recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.